It's the GWR 4144 Prairie, built in 1946.
That's the one with a really loud whistle.
Yeah, you'll hear it. It's definitely.
I seem to remember it made my ears hurt one time when I was alongside it.
Yeah, very unpleasant.
So
So we decided to come on it.
yeah, so this is exciting. Just can't wait for it to start.
So we're in a, I don't know what coach this is, maybe a British coach.
It's a regular British Rail's corridor coach, and I'm going to guess it's around 1940s, late 1940s,
And just to your right is a very big model railway that's inside an old carriage that's static. It's one of the biggest, longest model railways, double O gauge, and it's amazing. We might show you later if we have time.
It's quite extraordinary to be looking at a model railway, double O gauge, and you're actually inside the railway carriage. It's kind of
It's like the Truman Show.
yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to sign out now and we'll